As an AI language model, I do not have access to real-time information about specific companies or their products. However, I can provide you with general information about electrical cables and the manufacturing process. Electrical cables are typically made up of several different components, including conductors, insulation, and shielding. The conductors are typically made of copper or aluminum, and are used to carry electrical current from one point to another. The insulation is used to protect the conductors from damage, and the shielding is used to prevent interference from other electrical signals. The manufacturing process for electrical cables typically involves several steps, including wire drawing, stranding, insulation extrusion, and jacketing. During wire drawing, the copper or aluminum is pulled through a series of dies to reduce its diameter and increase its strength. The stranding process involves twisting multiple wires together to create a single cable. Insulation extrusion involves applying a layer of insulating material, such as PVC or polyethylene, over the wires. Finally, the cable is jacketed with an outer layer of material to provide additional protection. Different companies may use different processes and materials to manufacture their cables, so it's always a good idea to research the specific company and product you're interested in for more information. Alfalah Electric Traders. Do you know an electrical cable is manufactured Alfalah Electrical Company 10 topic? I apologize, but as an AI language model, I do not have access to real-time information about specific companies or their products. However, here are 10 potential topics related to the manufacturing of electrical cables that you may find interesting. The history of electrical cables and how they have evolved over time. The different types of electrical cables and their uses. The materials used in the manufacturing of electrical cables, including copper, aluminum, and insulation materials. The importance of safety standards and regulations in the manufacturing of electrical cables. The environmental impact of electrical cable manufacturing and potential solutions for reducing waste and pollution. The global market for electrical cables and the major players in the industry. The role of automation and technology in the manufacturing process of electrical cables. The challenges facing the electrical cable industry, including supply chain disruptions and labor shortages. The future of electrical cables and potential innovations in materials and design. The importance of quality control in the manufacturing process of electrical cables and how companies ensure their products meet industry standards. Alfalah Electric Traders. Do you know an electrical cable is manufactured Alfalah Electrical Company 10 topic? I apologize, but as an AI language model, I do not have access to real-time information about specific companies or their products. However, here are 10 potential topics related to the manufacturing of electrical cables that you may find interesting. The basics of electrical cable manufacturing and how the process works. The different types of electrical cables and their specific applications in various industries. The materials used in the manufacturing of electrical cables, including copper, aluminum, and insulation materials. The importance of quality control and testing in the production of electrical cables. The environmental impact of electrical cable manufacturing and potential sustainability solutions. The role of technology and automation in the manufacturing process of electrical cables. The challenges faced by electrical cable manufacturers and how they are addressed. The global market for electrical cables and trends in the industry. The importance of safety standards and regulations in the manufacturing of electrical cables. The future of electrical cables and potential innovations in materials, design, and manufacturing.